In this video, I am going to discuss about friction welding process. Short form is FW process. Friction welding process, the heat required for welding is obtained from the friction between the end of the piece to be jointed. See, friction which is used to produce heat, and that heat is used to join the metal pieces. See, friction welding process are commonly used for producing high quality butt weld of large round rods, heavy tubes and pipes. That is one of the main application of friction welding process. During friction welding process, no external heat is applied. One of the piece is made to be rotate and one will be remain stationary. During friction welding process, initially the end of the parts to be joined are brought together under a light pressure, resulting a friction between the stationary and rotating parts that develops heat required to form the weld. See, during the welding process, one piece is rotating, other will be remain stationary. Initially, the end of the two pieces are brought together. Due to friction, the temperature of the end of the pieces will be increasing. When it reaches plastic stage, a high pressure will be applying in the moving part and there will be metal to metal joint is created. See, this is a figure of friction welding process. So one piece that will be rotating, another will be remain stationary. And that stationary piece that can be moved towards rotating piece and away from the rotating piece. See, initially one piece will be rotating and the stationary piece, end of the stationary piece that will be moving near to the end of the rotating piece with light pressure. Due to friction, the temperature of the end of the piece will be increasing and the end of the pieces will be moved to plastic steel. At that time, a high pressure will be applying in the movable piece and a metal to metal contact joint will be formed. See, after welding process, there will be an upset will be seen and this upset that can be removed by grinding operation. So what are the advantages of a friction welding process? Suitable process for joining dissimilar metals. Process produce a clean metal to metal welding surface. A highly skilled welder not required. Weld with less defect can be obtained and no filler rod is used. So these are the advantages of the friction welding process. So suitable for joining dissimilar metal. Process produce a clean metal to metal welding surface. A highly skilled welder not required. A weld with less defects can be obtained. No filler rod is used. Disadvantages are the machine is costly, less thickness size cannot be welded, soft metals and metals with low compressive strength cannot be welded, only butt joint can be produced. Application. This friction welding process are commonly used for welding carbon steel, steel alloys, stainless steel, copper and titanium. So these are the applications of the friction welding process. So in this video, I have discussed about friction welding process, advantages, disadvantages and applications. Thank you.